Hello everyone, I am Shekhar Thakur, working as a chemistry teacher at Cambridge International School, Dusua. Today we will discuss the answer key for December examination for set A. Let us start with the set A. Now I am sharing the answer key of for December examination of chemistry. Let us start. So beta, your first question is, what is the Latin name of iron? What is the Latin name of iron? That is ferrum. Name a non-metal that is tetratomic, and the name is phosphorus. What are the two components of colloidal solution? The components are dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Give two examples of aerosols. Dispersed phase and dispersed medium are the component of colloidal solution. Now next one is give two examples of aerosol, that is fog and mist. Fog and mist, these are the examples. Next, give two examples of emulsion, that is milk and face cream. Question number 9. The atomic number of calcium and argon are 20 and 18. What the mass numbers of both these elements is 40. Then what is the name of such pair of element? As you know, if the atomic numbers are different and the mass number will be same, then these are known as isobars, and the answer will be isobar. Question number 10. Any element X has a mass number 18 and atomic number 9, then what is the valency? But as you know, atomic number is 9 and the valency for the 9 is, that is 1. Because while you write the electronic configuration of fluorine, you will write 2, 7, then 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1, which is the valency for fluorine. Why do helium, neon and argon have a 0 valency? As you know, these three elements that are noble gases and their outermost shell will be fulfilled because its outermost electron is filled with maximum electron, and those elements whose outermost shell is filled with maximum electron will have a 0 valency. Okay. Next come to the 15th question for chemistry. Assertion है, calcium and argon are two examples of isobar. Okay, they have given an example for assertions. Next is reason. Isobars are elements with same mass number but different atomic number. Isobar that have a same mass number but different atomic number. Okay, so here you can set A and R, means assertion and reasoning that is true, and R is the correct explanation for A, because isobar definition is given. Why they are isobar? According to the definition they are right. Next is a paragraph is given in your question paper, and your question 1 is correlate the plum pudding with hat Michael studied in his chemistry class. Beta, as you know, that chapter is the structure of atom, and the answer for this is the model proposed by J.J. Thomson was called as plum pudding model. Why did the name plum pudding originate? The electrons in a sphere of positive charge were like carrots or dry fruits in a spherical Christmas pudding. Question number 3, give the postulates of model discussed here. As you know, an atom consists of positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. Positive and negative charges are equal in magnitude, so they are electrically neutral. Give one drawback of atomic model here. The drawbacks for Thomson atomic model, that he failed to explain how the positive charge holds on the electrons inside the atom. That's why it was failed, and it could not explain the stability of an atom also. Last one is, when was J.J. Thomson model of an atom? It was proposed by J.J. Thomson in the year 1904 after the recovery of electrons. Next is, while diluting a solution of salt in water, a student by mistake added acetone. Boiling point 56 degrees Celsius. What technique can be employed to get more the acetone, justify your answer. So here acetone can be separated by the mixture of salt solution and water by the process of distillation, but there is a difference in the boiling point of acetone and the boiling point of water. As you know, the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. When the solution is heated, acetone will evaporate before water does. It can be collected after condensation. Next part is explain why the particles of a colloidal solution do not settle down when left undisturbed. So beta, in a suspension, the size of the particle is larger than in a colloidal solution. The molecular interaction in a suspension is not strong enough to keep the particle suspended. Hence, the particles settle down when the suspension is left undisturbed for some time. And you can say that the molecular interaction in a colloidal solution is strong enough and does not allow the particle to settle down, right? And next one is, to make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293. You can do it in a simple way. You will add 36 plus 100, that is 136, and then you will add, which is equal to 136. Now you will use the formula amount of solute divided by amount of solution multiplied by 100, means 36 divided by 136 multiplied by 100. Then you can get an answer. Okay, a solution is always a liquid. Comment on this. So a solution is always a liquid. How can you tell? But a solution is a liquid. While you're adding salt in water or sugar in a water, it will dissolve and it will be in the form of liquid. Right? You will only simple comment on it. Question number 29. Write the chemical formula of the following: magnesium chloride MgCl2, calcium oxide, that is CaO, aluminium chloride AlCl3. Question number 30. Ethyne C2H2. 2 multiplied by 12 plus 2 multiplied by 1, that is 12 into 2, 24, plus 2 is equal to 26 gram. Next is sulfur molecule is given and the formula of sulfur molecule is S8. 8 into 33 atomic mass is given. So we are taking 33. Okay, 33 into 8, that is 264 gram. Next is phosphorus molecule, that is P4, and 4 into 31 atomic mass is given. Just multiply 31 into 4, you will get 124 gram. Question number 31. How many particles Avogadro number represent? As you know, one Avogadro number, which is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, that is the answer for first question. Sample A contains 1 gram molecule of oxygen molecule and sample B contains 1 mole of oxygen molecule. Beta, either you are taking 1 gram, either taking 1 mole, both are same. The ratio will be 1:1 according to the mole concept. MnO3, that is M nitrate, is the formula for nitrate for metal M. Then what is the formula for oxide? But if you see the formula, nitrate that contains only one negative ion, that's why its name is MnO3. But in case of oxide, the valency will be O2 negative. Okay, when 2 negative will multiply by O, it will give M2O. क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? M2O. Question number 35. Give difference between the properties of electron, protons and neutron. बेटा सिंपल सी बात है. In case of proton, they are positively charged. In case of neutron, they have no charge. And in case of neutron, they have no charge, and in case of electron, they contain negatively charged. Proton that is present inside the nucleus, neutron that is also found inside the atomic nucleus, and electron that is found outside the nucleus of an atom. This is the answer. Question number B. In a gold foil experiment, why did alpha particle passes through a gold foil undeflected. एक में deflected. In second one, why did alpha particle deflect to a small angle, and why did alpha particle after striking the gold foil retrace their path? And the answers for B, for first part, most of the alpha particles of the gold foil through the gold foil undeflected because most of the space inside the nucleus that is empty. Okay. Next time, few alpha particle deflected through a small angle that there is a positive charge at the center of the gold foil. Third, few alpha particle after striking the gold foil retrace their path so that the positive charge centered was concentrated in a very small volume of space and was called nucleus. But that is the key for that. And the last question that is given in your question here, atomic mass that is given 35.5 and two isotopes were given. Here one atomic number 17, second atomic number also 17. The mass numbers are 35 and 37. Here if you see the question, you will take an atomic mass. First of all, you will take you will take a assumed value. Let the percentage of first isotope, that is y%, that I have taken here, and second I have taken 100 minus y. Okay. Then atomic mass of first, that is 35, which is multiplied by the first percentage. Okay. And second atomic mass 37, which is multiplied by the 100 minus y percentage, that is the atomic mass of second. Now solve it. Average atomic mass is given, that is 35.5, and 35y, multiply it and multiply to all, and then you subtract 35 minus 37, which is equal to minus 2 by, and why we have written here over 100, because the value of percentage is 1 over 100. वो इन दोनों के नीचे आएगा, इन दोनों के. ओके, ये अभी पूरे का अपॉन है. Here 2 minus 2 by plus 3700 over 100, multiply it, and then you will get 75, and when you subtract 100 minus y, then you will get the value of next one, that is 25. 100 minus 75. Next is valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element, and initially you will write the electronic configuration of silicon, that is 2, 8 and silicon, that is 14, 2, 8 and 4, and for oxygen that is 2 and 6, and the valency of silicon is 2, 8, 4, that is 4, and for oxygen is 2 and 4, valency will be 4, both have same valency. And thank you beta, thank you for this. I hope you have done the well. Thank you so much.